What's up, you guys? I'm Mrs. Joe Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell select all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back. Amen. Okay. Always remember some things may or may not resonate, so take what resonates and leave the rest. We got great fortune coming out. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. So there could be a privileged lady receiving some great fortune at their home here, okay, with the family room. So a privileged lady could be receiving some or has received some great fortune here, okay. This could be what they're doing surrounding work here, maybe. So we're going to see if we can find out more what this is for you guys. Amen, amen, okay. Hopefully y'all had a blessed and wonderful day, amen, okay. What? Okay, let's see what kind of snakes we got around. What kind of snakes are on the plane? Okay, what kind of snakes are around? Okay. So tell us about this privileged lady and this great fortune. Actually, this privileged lady could also be the great fortune for somebody here as well. Okay. Okay, somebody is moving in silence here, okay? Okay. So there's a water sign female that's moving in silence because a water sign female stole your money here, okay? So a water sign female stole some money from the privileged lady, so this person could become their privileged lady here, okay? So a water sign female, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, stole some money from a privileged lady here. A water sign female stole money from a Leo, okay? So this water sign female is definitely moving in silence because she stole money from a Leo here. For some of you guys, this person is also stalking you, or this ex's girlfriend is stalking you as well. Okay? So there's a water sign female that's moving in silence because they stole your money from a Leo, okay? Some of you guys, you have an ex's girlfriend that is stalking you, somebody that drives a Jeep, okay? This is also a false prophet, okay? And there's also something significant with drones as well here, okay? Are these good drones? Is this person with the Jeep connected to stalking somebody with these drones? Okay, so this person with the Jeep is connected to these drones that are stalking somebody here, okay, as well. Yeah, these people are going to try to come back in now because all of them are definitely under judgment at this time. Oh, because the Jump Out Boys is coming for them. The Jump Out Boys is coming. So you got a water sign female, like I said, that's moving in silence because they stole money from you here. They stole money from a Leo, okay? And for some of you guys, there's an ex's girlfriend that's stalking you. So somebody you're not even with anymore, this person's ex is stalking you. Okay. Somebody that drives a Jeep here is a false prophet, okay? They're also involved with doing something towards you with drones as well, like stalking you with drones, okay? Now these people are going to try to come back in because they know that they effed up here and the Jump Out Boys is coming for them here. Definitely involved with doing death spells on you as well. And a lot of crown chakra manipulation. So not only are they doing death spells, they're doing crown chakra manipulation as well, okay? We also got a male cop involved in this as well. You guys watch my channel. You know I got to ask if this is a good cop or a bad cop. Amen, okay? Is this a good cop? Okay, so there's a good cop that knows about this? Okay. Oh, wow, we got a good cop. Okay. Okay. These people know that these people are con artists. There's definitely an investigation going on surrounding these people, okay? There's also some twin boys that are involved in the situation as well. There's a dirty president of a company, an organization, something like that here as well. We got somebody from another state that's also involved. A water sign, male, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, male. Or this person is in another state now. Okay, yeah, this person's got a voodoo doll. Okay, yeah. If you leave, this person be following you. Okay, this person be following you. Okay, something's going to be happening this weekend here. Okay. You guys already know that love is the key to any situation, okay? So keep living your life with love in your heart, okay? Period. You living your life, loving yourself, it's getting these people caught up in the own web that they weave for you, okay? Somebody with a BMW is also involved. This person with this BMW is doing shut-up spells. And somebody is using a Ouija board. So somebody's got a voodoo doll and somebody's using a Ouija board. There's something with Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or TikTok as well, okay? Yeah, everybody involved in this situation will either pass away or end up in jail. Karma is definitely being handed down, okay? The ancestors are proud of you guys, so be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you as well, all right? Definitely. Period. You also got bosses, family members coming against you as well. An earth sign male, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Somebody works at a U-Haul company, storage facility, something like that as well. And this person is sending people in to stalk you, okay? Okay. Somebody's about to receive a direct deposit, so congratulations on that. Yeah, these people know that you're the boss, definitely. All this graveyard magic, this moon magic, all this stuff that they're doing, nothing's working, okay? These people are definitely under investigation, okay? And something will be happening this weekend, okay? All the shut-up spells in the world ain't going to get somebody to shut up, okay? All right. What do we got for the collective? The Chariot, Cancer energy, but also your movement forward here. Also, that could be the police as well. Oh, look, the back of that card says yes. Okay. Yes. Like, that could be definitely the police coming for somebody here. For a couple or a Gemini, okay? Cancer, Gemini. Yeah, you're definitely not accepting any offers from these people. Because they definitely came in. They were definitely in this nasty energy, this five of swords energy, okay? A lot of mental magic, a lot of, just a lot of nasty energy, okay? All the lies, slander, and gossip. Okay, all you had to do was speak some truth and you slayed these people, period. Yeah, they were definitely very passionate about trying to end everything for you here, okay? The Taurus involved here, okay? This could be some kind of preacher or pastor as well, okay? This organization. Okay? Strong Taurus energy, though, as well. Strong Gemini, strong Cancer, strong Taurus. Truth, okay? Everything is coming full circle. The cycle is ending. It's a completion. Whatever these people think they're not doing. Yeah, you got these people blocked. You don't want none of this connected to you. Like, yeah. These were people you could have worked with, collaborated with at one time. You knew that they were being sneaky and deceptive here. Bringing nothing but chaos to your life here after they stole from you. Somebody could be working with the Queen of Swords. That also could be the justice system here as well. Sees that you're working, you're hardworking, you're efficient here, okay? There's also like a King of Swords energy that was working with the Queen of Wands here to like literally like put an ending to you, okay? These people are not healed. They're not healed at all, okay? Look, no, okay? And these people are not healed. They were trying to definitely put an ending to your stability, your home life, even you having a home or anything, okay? Probably a relationship with somebody that you should be having a relationship with as well. These people don't want you to have nothing. Now they're in despair because you stood your ground here and you're getting the public success and the recognition you deserve because justice is here. And you're getting love either way, whether you're loving yourself or getting love from the universe, okay? They're going to have to walk away, period. So we have, like, strong Cancer, Gemini here, Taurus, okay, Scorpio. Energies out here, okay? This card flips over again with a yes on it, okay? All right, what do we got for the collective? What do we got for the collective? Yeah, Spirit's putting the hammer down. Like, they're tired. The ancestors are tired of these people. The ancestors are tired of somebody named Felicia. Okay? The ancestors are tired of somebody named Amar. Yellow, these people can be messing with your chakras. Also, somebody can have a yellow vehicle. Okay? Yeah, enough is enough. Okay? Spirit's bringing the hammer down. Your ancestors are bringing the hammer down. Raw's bringing the hammer down. Enough is enough. Rachel as well. Okay, yeah, something's going to be breaking news here. Something will be breaking news. Wow, in the South. Okay, something's going to be breaking news in the South. Damn. Okay. I just heard busted. Like, okay. No, okay. Okay, somebody's a celebrity. Somebody got wings. Somebody went flying. Okay, we have Dana. Is Rachel a celebrity? Is Dana a celebrity? All these people are coming after somebody that's like a celebrity. Okay. A celebrity in their town. Amen. Okay, we have Lizette. Somebody's going to make you a celebrity overnight. What? Amen. Okay, somebody either's been shot or is about to get shot. Is the name of the person that was shot down here? Was Lizette shot? Was Dana shot? Is the person that shot Dana the name of the person that shot Dana down here? Do all these people know about this, though? So somebody named Dana was shot. Is Dana still alive? Does anybody know about this death? So somebody named Dana was shot, and nobody even knows about this death. Except the people involved in this. Yeah, these people are losing. These people are losing. These people are losing. Is it Lizette that loves somebody? This is different. Somebody says, I love you. Is this a name star? Okay. Somebody's saying that they love you and you're a star here, okay? That's beautiful, actually. I love that. That gave me the chills. So, that could definitely be your ancestor, your spirit guides. They say they love you and you're a star here, okay? Ooh, I got the chills all over. Amen. That's sweet, though. No? Okay. Is this person a star? No, this is different. Okay. Let me move these up some minutes. Okay. So we got the name Christine or Christina. That's not connected. Tell us about Christina. And the letter F. Okay, yeah. Okay, Christina and this F person are under judgment, okay? So we got spirits bringing the hammer down. Your ancestors are bringing the hammer down on these people. They're tired of these people. They're like, enough is enough, okay? For somebody named Felicia, for somebody named Amar, okay? These people could be definitely messing with your chakras, but also somebody could have a yellow vehicle. Spirits like, enough is enough, okay? We also have the name Rachel as well, okay? Spirits done with these people, okay? Something is definitely going to be breaking news in the South here, okay? These people were coming after somebody that's like considered a celebrity. Excuse me, amen. Whether that's spiritually or like a celebrity, okay? And, well, they're losing, okay? We have somebody named Dana. This person was shot, okay? These people know about this. These people know about this, but the person that physically shot this person's name is not down here, okay? Nobody knows about this, about the people, except for the people, you know, that was told that were involved in this situation. But the person that physically shot Dana, this name is not down here, okay? We also have the name Lizette as well, and all these people are losing. Like, these people are all under judgment. Spirit said enough is enough, okay? That's it. Boom, hammer down, that's it. Hammer time, whoa, that's it, okay? Okay. Your ancestors, your spirit guides say they love you here, okay? They love you. And you're a star, okay? Period. There's somebody named Christine or Christina as well. And the letter F here, okay? And these people are also under heavy judgment, okay? Ooh, amen. All right, you guys, that's what I got for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Y'all have a good night, amen, all right?